Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
If you have an OBS and you're trying to remove your door handle, trying to replace it, this one here is cracked, so I gotta take it off. I'm gonna show you how to do it the quick and easy way. Open your door, remove your door panel. You don't have to take all this here off. You wanna peel back this plastic here. And it's a 10 millimeter. It's a 10 millimeter here. Also, it's one there. So let me get up in here. There's one of them. We'll take this one here off. Then what you want to do, you want to drop this here down. So it's T25. The reason why you're dropping this down, it'll give you some play. Once everything drop down, you want to close your door and lift up on the bottom of it. You can see the lock cylinder here will hold it in. You want to take your flathead and push that pin. That way you'll release the lock cylinder. Trying to do it with one hand. All right. See, the lock cylinder is released. Then you just pull it out. Then you wanna lift up on this part here so you can push it towards the vehicle. And once you do that, it'll come on off. Trying to do it with one hand is kind of hard, but there you go. That's the simple, quick, easy way of doing it. Now you can replace it with a new handle. I thought I could at least give you the part numbers. This is how the old handles look. Pretty bad. This one here has starting to crack. And here's the new handle. Okay, the part number for the left hand side is GM1310132. The right hand side is GM1311132. And this pretty much works for all the GM OBS, like the Suburbans, Escalades, Blazers, Tahoes, CK 1500, 2500, 3500. If y'all checking this video out before it's replacing y'all handles, y'all get down in the comment section. Let me know what vehicle y'all working on. Thank you.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.